everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly and this is The Appearance of Clean. I am getting into my spring cleaning. Finally, I've been waiting on this for so long. I am kind of starting with the guts of my house. So I am doing today only cabinets and drawers in my bathrooms, my master and my guest. Taking everything out, going through everything, throwing a lot of stuff away, wiping everything down, and putting it all back in a fashion where I can see what it is. I have come to find out that I am a Q-tip hoarder. Apparently I have got so many Q-tips and so many Band-Aids I didn't even realize they were in there. You'll see all of it later. It's a crazy mess, but hang out with me, get some motivation, start on your cabinets and drawers. It's spring. It's time to get this stuff gone. So if you're anything like me, you do the gift with purchase when you go to Dillard's or Macy's or what have you with the at the cosmetic counter. So I've got all the little zipper bags that come with the free gifts, and I've got them stuffed to the gills with stuff like cotton balls and Q-tips and Band-Aids and sewing kits and you name it, and I've got stuff in there. One of my favorite things to do is condense items and then throw things away. I love throwing empty containers away and empty boxes away. It makes me feel like I've accomplished something, whether I use it to its completion or I condense it. It just makes me feel so good. So this is really just a clean out and organize and throw away. I don't have a lot of fancy stuff under my sinks right now. I don't have a lot of risers and baskets and really pretty things. I want to do that. I want to make it really, really impressive, but I don't really need that right now. I just need to be able to see what I have. So this right here works for me. I can look under there and see exactly what I have so that I don't go out and buy on top of each other. So like I did with the Q-tips, apparently we have a lot of Q-tips. You'll see that. It's crazy. This is under my husband's sink. Under his sink is really kind of the medicine cabinet and the first aid kit, toilet paper, excess, and all that good stuff. So he doesn't use a lot of products. You may see one little shaving cream in there, his little shaving kit, which he never takes anywhere. But so this is kind of our medicine cabinet, so to speak. So you can see here I threw a lot of stuff out and was able to condense and move and it made a lot more space in my cabinets. And this is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. I really appreciate it. I hope you got some motivation to start your spring cleaning and do your under cabinets and get it all organized. Have a great week, everybody.